Welcome back to the channel. I'm Happy Scrappy. I do dumpster diving, scrap metal recycling, amongst some other things, but I was just doing a quick little micro scrap video from this piece of steel. Probably went to like a AC unit, heating unit. But yeah, I found this earlier today, and I was just dissecting it, taking all of the number 2 copper right here off. Probably got a few pounds of number 2 copper, insulated copper wire rather, and I was able to get a nice little transformer off of it that probably weighs about 3 or 4 pounds. And of course I got this piece of steel that's left over. We're just gonna throw that on the trailer with the rest of the light iron. It's the trailer right here. Got a lot of appliances this week, trying to get it full and loaded by tomorrow, TGIF, so I can do a scrapyard run Saturday morning. But yeah, just wanted to check in with you good people, dumpster divers, eBayers, scrappers, scavengers, recyclers, beings of all kind, known and unknown, extraterrestrials, friends, family, loved ones. Just wanted to do a quick micro scrap video. Just check in, leave a comment. If you haven't subscribed, think about subscribing. Hit that like button for me. And I'll see you good people in the next video. I'm Happy Scrappy. Happy scrapping to y'all. Peace and love.